In today's video, I'll teach you how to open account in NFLShop. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nflshop.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NFL Shop. From here, you'll be able to purchase the items for men, women, kids, etc. So if you want to open an account for yourself, it is actually very simple. For doing that, click on this option, My Account, that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. So if you do not have the account, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. Click on this option, Create Account, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to register for your account. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see on the screen. First of all, enter the first name. Once you do that, enter the last name over here. Also provide your email address. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now once you do that, also enter the password over here. Make sure to create a strong password. Now confirm the password. Now after you do that, click on this option, Create an Account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you open an account on NFL Shop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.